Temperatures are nominal across the leading edge.
Confirmed. No hotspots detected near the joins. The mid-range overview highlights the simultaneous processes. Inert gases stabilize the airframe for coating.
This plasma treatment subtly changes the surface energy of the raw material, ensuring maximum chemical bonding with the upcoming radar absorbent material.
A high-power water jet precisely cuts the maintenance panel, demonstrating the initial forming phase of this critical component.
The massive airframe is entirely covered in the uniform light gray primer coat. The robotic arms retract as
The robotic systems pause, allowing a precise sensor sweep to map the transition line and confirm the evenness of the semi-completed coating. Secam. This quick cleaning cycle precision and prevents clogging of the nozzle, ensuring % kill.
The massive airframe is now entirely covered in the uniform, matte, dark charcoal gray RAM coating.
The improved stealth coatings of the Su-57 are cured in this specialized oven, initiating the critical process.
The thermal cycle is held steady, monitored by computerized systems ensuring consistent curing. This transforms That concludes Process A sealing.
Confirmed. Data uploaded. Ready for integration.
Scene 55. With the stealth-coated Su-57 secured, we transition to Process B. The high A precise robotic arm integrates miniature vibration and temperature sensors into the pre-milled internal conduits of the matte cylinder.
This precise thermal profile ensures the radar absorbent material achieves the exact density and
The specialized titanium alloy panel is subjected to controlled acoustic and kinetic frequencies, simulating extreme high-G flight conditions.
The RCS characteristics are confirmed. The RAM coating successfully minimized the radar returns. Verified for Process B.
The thermal camera verifies the temperature is stable and consistent with the ambient environment. No hotspots detected.
Secured in climate-controlled lockers, the dark charcoal gray panels are maintained at optimal conditions, underscoring their critical role for the Su-57 fleet.
Okay, panel secure. Check the serial.
Scanning now. Confirmed. Serial mass good. Verified.
Suction cups engaged. Releasing the locking mechanism now.
Steady, we have clearance. Handing you the titanium alloy replacement.
The seamless fit and consistent matte color of the titanium alloy panel confirm the successful final usage of the secondary product.
The specialized titanium alloy maintenance panel, an essential and uncompromised part of this high-performance aircraft.